Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2013 Nissan Altima. Let's start on the driver's side. Taking a look at the tires there, still have good tread left. Just looking up and down the panels for any signs of dents, stings, scratches. Nice chrome trim on the door handles, kind of breaks up all the white. Overall, driver's side looks good. Looking at the rear, always looking for signs of scuffing at the entry points of the trunk and cargo areas. A couple little marks there. Overall, passenger side looks great. Looking at the interior, we do have full power for the driver. Nice black perforated leather seating. 95,378 is your current mileage. It does have navigation, satellite radio, dual climate control, all of your charging ports easy to get to here, heated leather seats, and it is a push button start. Looking in the back seat now, just a nice look around back here. All the flooring surfaces are black, great for not showing signs of staining. Looking in the trunk, lots of cargo space back here. Your seat letdown's very easy to get to right here, so you don't have to crawl in the trunk. One more look from the passenger side. You do have a nice integrated armrest for a little added comfort there. And we'll finish up in the passenger seat. More look over that seating surface. One more look around. This model does have a sunroof as well, and that'll wrap up your Nissan Altima.